Cooking delicious chicken wings is easy with the Auspit. Start with 1 or 2 kilos of wings, wash, then pat dry with a paper towel. Lightly coat with oil and mix through. Place the wings inside the Auspit Spitmate and secure on the skewer by tightening the wing nut. Roast over hot coals for 45 minutes to an hour. Once cooked, remove the Spitmate from the skewer using heatproof gloves. Place the wings inside a mixing bowl and lightly coat with Kosmos Q salt and vinegar wing dust and mix through. For a stronger flavour, coat one more time and mix through. Serve with your favourite dipping sauce and enjoy.